All right, welcome to today's video. We're going over how to replace this reverse light bulb. Also, how you can actually take this whole fixture off if you need to. In a previous video, I did this fixture, so I'll put a link in the description for this video if you need that light. But today we're gonna go over how to access the bulb in this and then show you where the bolts are to remove this whole fixture if you need to. So first up, we're gonna reach down here and get this guy opened. And I have this guy pulled off because I wanna show you this here, where these tabs go in because you don't wanna pry from the wrong angle. So you wanna start from this side, then this side, and then this side, and then pull this out, like so. So do not start with this back corner. And to give you an idea of orientation, you can see that start with the edge closest to the window to get in here. So I started on that side just to show you, and then I'm gonna do the repair on this side to give you an idea. These are awesome. Definitely pick up a pair of these if you're working on your own car. These are plastic. They're called trim tools. I'll put a link in the description, but they'll keep you from gouging up the plastic, and they give you all different shapes to get in here. It usually comes in a kit of 7. So I'm gonna get right under here. I know there's a clip right here. Remember, start from the side closest to the window. Man, these are hard to get into. Yeah, so I got it under the edge. So I'm gonna get it under that edge and then pry and then slide and then pry and try to get those clips to unclip. Let's try this corner over here. And I'm gonna show you this whole process just so you know, there we go, how hard it is. So it's just slide, pry, I got that first one done. Then come here, there's another one right around this area. Boom, just got that one done. Then we come over to this side. Boom. So it does take some force, and then remember these sleeves come out like so. Then we have this little bit of insulation, and we'll move to our second angle. First, I'm gonna show you how to do the bulb. That's this guy here. Remember, wear some gloves when you're doing this. So we're gonna reach here, turn counterclockwise, so twist this way. Man, big hands. And if you need, you can lightly put a wrench, but I just got this. It takes a fair bit of force to get this out. And some finagling. Cool, so I got that out. It took some wiggling back and forth. They're usually not that tough, but if you get a tough one, what I did was I made sure it was unclicked, and then I kind of rotated and gently pulled. I also was able to pull a little bit more slack out of this wire, but don't yank too hard. I'm gonna take a clean part of my glove, and I'm just gonna pull this bulb out. Then the new bulb goes in. I'll put a link in the description for that bulb. And then we go back in here. You gotta line it up with the right, notice how these are big and they're small, so you got to line the big one up with the right line. Boom, that's in there, and then twist, and that's how you change the reverse bulb. Now, I did want to touch on, if you wanted to take the whole fixture out, like you have a crack in it, you got 2 screws here, and then as you look up in here, there are 2 screws right there and right there. And there is your connector for the whole light. So you can disconnect it here, undo all 4 of those screws, and the whole light will come off. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.